oil prices and energy news, crude oil price charts, investment advice. Follow us, like us, subscribe, contact us. Home, energy general, oil prices, crude oil, heating oil, gas prices, natural gas, coal, metals, gold, silver, platinum, commodities, foodstuffs, copper, alternative energy, nuclear power, solar energy, hydroelectric, renewable energy, geothermal energy, wind power, fuel cells, tidal energy, biofuels, environment, global warming, oil spills, geopolitics, Africa, Asia, Europe, Indonesia, international, Middle East, North America, South America, finance, the economy, the markets, investing, trading reports, widgets, news, interviews, jobs, login, sign up, advertising. Contact us. About contributors. Write for us. Forum. The AA. This week in energy. Welcome to the U.S. shale reshuffle. Shell isn't the only major player getting rid of U.S. shale. Balancing geological potential and political risk. Interview with Tony Hayward. Graham seeks to burst Tesla's bubble. You know you're getting somewhere when General Motors takes a dangerous interest in what's under your. Canada continues wooing Asian energy markets. Asian countries continue to line up for Canadian energy. Free financial tools. World energy consumption and production counters. Alternative energy production, greenhouse gas counter. Crude oil, U.S. national debt, mortgage debt, credit card debt plus others. Precious metals, base metals yearly production counter. Precious metals, base metals yearly production counter. Oil price news, latest comments. Tesla stock falls after Model S bursts into flames. October 3, 2013 at 21:40. MIT accidentally discovers technique to generate energy from condensation. Gazprom faces $15 billion fine from EU Antitrust Commission. UK shale gas, promising but not cheap. Japan installs 10 GW of solar PV capacity, set to become world leader. More news. Oil price news, latest comments. Is this not hype? If not, then well and good for the USA. In reply to how the U.S. shale boom will change the world, elevated word platform at Nifty Lift. The Hyperloop looks to be an exciting option for fast distance travel, but similar to current public transportation options like, in reply to Tesla's Hyperloop, the fifth mode of transportation. Tony Alvarado. Mayo John Lone is another Filipinese monkey. Both China and Philippines made reservations to historic titles in their ratification of, in reply to the real reason behind China's military expansion. Simon. While they may be saying that break-even is closed, they are actually comparing apples to oranges. Electricity is going in reply to fusion break-even very close at National Ignition Facility Matmussen. I am not saying that natural gas is the solution, I am making the point that it is relatively greener, in reply to coal use falling, proof of progress to low-carbon future energy burritos. Energy news and finance articles. Iranian crude may be vital as global producers fail to meet targets. By Dave Summers. Vertical line, October 3, 2013, 2200 hours. There has been considerable comment this week over the telephone call between President Obama and the President Rouhani of Iran. Certainly the election. Coal use falling, proof of progress to low-carbon future. By Energy Burrito. Vertical line, October 3, 2013, 21:52. Although it is easy to get caught up in the vastness of the volume of fossil fuels we continue to consume, we are increasingly being presented with positives. The real reason behind China's military expansion. By IFS Security Watch. Vertical line, October 3, 2013, 21:44. Many in the West view China's rapid military expansion as a growing threat to global and regional security. In fact, nothing could be further from the Middle East and North Africa to be split into 14 independent states. By Claude Salhani. Vertical line, October 2, 2013, 20-13. The recent report emerged earlier this week indicating that 5 countries in the Middle East and North Africa could soon split up to reform themselves. Despite shale, OPEC still matters. By Daniel J. Gruber. Vertical line, October 2, 2013, 22:01. The chief economist at the International Energy Agency said,